lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If it's your first time here, welcome. I am Shauna. Go ahead and subscribe if you like my channel and you like what you see, and also hit that notification bell on your way out. If you've been here before and you're one of, the Shaunz World girls or boy, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Guys, I have a haul from a company called Temu. I'm sure a lot of you guys have been familiar with them. I'm sure you've seen them all over the internet. So they are very, very similar to Amazon in terms of the types of things that they sell. And guys, when I tell you, it's like the possibilities are endless. You go on their site and you see so many things, so you have to just filter through what you want. Otherwise, you could be there for days. So they reached out to me and I chose 3 pieces of clothing and the rest is like household stuff. So of course I'm going to go ahead and try on the clothing for you guys so you can see what they look like, and I'll also tell you how they feel on the fit and so on and so forth. So first of all, guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you the household items that I got and whatever else I need to tell you, so stick around. So guys, this is the bag they sent me. Yes, they have so many things on their site. Honestly, guys, you will be so overwhelmed, but take your time, filter through, and you'll be a-okay. All right, so the first thing I'm going to show you, because I wanted some stuff for my house, so I got this sort of, it's a garlic press, so it's supposed to help you, it's a tedious job to chop your garlic, so this will help you to do that, of course, and it looks like that. Haven't used it yet, so I'm hoping that it will make my work less when it comes on to chopping my garlic. And that was pretty affordable, guys. All right, okay, so I'm going to show you. So I ordered this spoon, which I thought would have been bigger. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hang on a sec. It's a lot of glare, you guys. So I ordered this spoon right here, which I thought would have been a big salad spoon, but it's a very tiny spoon. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but anyways, I'm sure I will find use for that. Yeah, guys, they package this thing really well, so hopefully all your stuff will get to you without being broken. Having said that, I did order some stuff from them and my rice drainer came broken, but it was cheap, so I'll go ahead and reorder one more. So I also got this veggie slicer, which should help me to minimize, chopping my veggies and stuff. So this is a 14-piece veggie slicer. I've been wanting to get one of these and I saw the opportunity and I got it. And it's called Kitchen Ideas 14-piece veggie slicer. So I'm excited to see how this works, slicing all of my veggies. Guys, my shopping was pretty random. I also got this fan. This fan right here. It's very bright, isn't it? Ooh. This fan. And it comes in a pink color. And it's USB charge. Whoops, I just dropped it. So it looks like that. It gets pretty hot sometimes, especially when you go somewhere that's really, really hot. And it's been a very hot summer in most places. So having a portable fan like this is quite handy. And of course, I said it's USB charge as well. So that's pretty handy. Nice, soft pink color. And I'm going to be using this when the days are hot. So that's pretty cool. Alright guys, so I also received this intelligent doorbell. It's something similar to the Ring one. So this is what it looks like. It does all the videos and stuff. It says there, intelligent doorbell. So I'm curious to see how this works. Let me see if I can take it out of the box and show you. But yeah, I also received this as well, which is quite exciting. Never had a video doorbell before, so let's see how it works. Okay, so this is it. Very neat, very tidy, very sleek. You guys, a lot of you guys are familiar with these types of doorbells. I'm not, so let's see. But yeah, and it's got it still back there. All right, guys, so next thing I got are these earrings right here. They are so pretty. They're pink. They're like fuchsia pink and gold. I'm going to try those on for you so you can see how they look, but I can tell that I'm going to be wearing that for summer. Such a pretty sort of statement pair of earrings. I got another one. These are blacks. I will try these on for you as well so you can see how they look on. Okay, so those are the jewelry pieces I chose. I chose some nail brushes right here. They've got the glitter in them. I love these sort of girly stuff. Don't know if you can see those, guys. So these are my nail brushes. They're for nail art and stuff. Let me take them out of the packaging so you can see. So that's one of them. So they're pretty thin, great for doing designs on nails. So I got these, very affordable, guys, honestly. So I hope these work well. Of course, I got some rhinestones. I forgot the name there. I got some rhinestone, guys. I love rhinestones. If I don't wear them on my nails, trust they're going to be on my toes. And especially in the summertime, your toes are out. You know, you want to make your toes look really cute. So I got these rhinestones right here. They are pretty. So they come in like diamonds and round ones. So it's different types of shape. And these are ABS rhinestones. So I picked those up as well from Temu. And they were pretty affordable, as I said, guys. So on to the clothes that I picked up from Temu. Now, guys, I picked up this maxi dress right here. Obviously, I will show you the picture. It's a nice fit, but I wish it was longer. I love when my maxi dresses are sweeping the floor because I tend to wear lots of heels with them. So if they're short, if they're too short, they kind of look too funny. But I love the color, you guys. I love the color. It's got a nice stretch to it. This is a size UK 8. And it has these sewn parts all the way down to their very pretty color, you guys. So perfect for the summer. So that's the maxi dress that I picked up. Okay. Then I picked up this sundress. I love these kind of dresses, especially when the time is hot. It's a mini sundress and it's a bandeau top. Very lightweight, pretty material, and it has some white buttons there, but they're not functional. It's just for style. Then it has the drawstring here, and again the drawstring isn't functional, but this is quite a lightweight and cute dress for the summer months when you just want to pop something on and go out the door, or you just want to go for a quick shopping trip, or you just want to go have lunch, whatever. This is perfect. And they come in different obviously different sizes, but different colors as well. Okay, guys, so I also picked up this jumpsuit right here, this black and white sort of what do you call it again? Oh, I can't remember the name, but it's very nice material. The only thing is I wish I had picked up a small. This is a medium. It fits, but I think if it was a small, the top would have fitted more snug. Yeah, is it abstract? Abstract, I think it's called. And it's got pockets, you guys. Pockets are always a win. So I love this jumpsuit. Comes in different colors as well. It's got a zipper at the back and a tie at the top. Very nice. Very summer evenings, you know, with some heels. Perfect. So this is my favorite from the clothing. And then something else I picked up, guys. Of course, I picked up this bonnet because I've been wanting one, and I was on the site and I was like, why not? So I picked up this rose pink bonnet. I like to sleep in these. So yeah. I'd love to say a big thank you to Temu for providing these wonderful items, guys. Please go and check them out. Thank you. So that is the end of my Temu haul. I hope you liked it. It wasn't a lot of things, but I will definitely go back and shop with them. As I said, I had picked up some other stuff with them, eyeshadow palette and something else, and I really love the palette. and I'm pleased with all the things that I got from this site. So go ahead and check them out, guys. They're always doing like promotions and discounts and all the, you know, all of those good things. So go ahead and check them out, and of course I will have a discount for you guys. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you liked in this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn your notifications on and leave me a comment to let me know what you've been doing and stuff like that for the summer. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.